Hey everybody, Chris Sargent Taz here, and today I'm going to talk about what you can do as a 3D printer to help out your community in the time we're having a crisis with our COVID-19 and all the other stuff that's going on. I want to apologize in advance for not having any videos out currently, other than this one. I just got done with surgery, which was fortunately just before all this closure stuff started, which is a good thing and a bad thing in and of itself. So I've been having a bit of a trouble adjusting. So hopefully once my stuff is done with that, I can get into a little more videos and more fun stuff to talk about. Currently, I live in the Chicago area. So I found a good place that was actually making PPE stuff to donate to the local hospitals. What I did was I found a Facebook group. I'm not taking any credit for this. Somebody else came up with getting a hold of the people I need to get a hold of and doing all this stuff. I'm just donating my filament and my time and my printers right now, getting it done. So I just wanted to get it out there and get everybody else looking who's a 3D printer to see what you can do to help out your community. I'm not big on the mask idea. These are pretty simple. I mean, they actually attach. And when we have like plastic you can attach to them, so they have a face shield, which uses a standard plastic and a standard 3-hole American style punch, which is a lot less work for people that are putting them together for us. I'm just doing the batches of stuff best I can. So hopefully it'll go to good use. I just want to do a quick video of it, throw a couple of links up for people in the Chicagoland area, and also, hey, take a look at your own Facebook groups and see your local area, see if you can help somebody out. It's well worth the investment to help people that are helping us. So if they run out of gear, it's going to be a bigger problem. Let's try and make it work with 3D printing. Why not, right? I set up mine to do multiples. All my printers are running the versions of it in different layouts to try and get as many as possible with as little filament as possible. So if you can help out your community, go for it. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it makes everybody in the printing community look that much better. So if you can't find something, I'm sure somebody in your local 3D printing groups can help you out. Give that a check. I know some people on Discord have been doing stuff. Like I said, find out where it works out for you, where you don't have to go too far to get it out, or you can ship it off really quick, so you don't wind up, not staying in and staying away from people. That's the whole idea of this. So hopefully this will work out for all of us. And thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See ya.